House by the River by Chon.a in NHA Trang, Vietnam. Over the years of working, perhaps by good fortune or karma, we have been able to meet and create tranquil living environments for others. The aunts and uncles are in their 50s. When there are enough ups and downs over the years, people also have enough to contemplate life more. Tales about the past days, both joyous and sad, or concerns for the days ahead. Everyone is simply idly floating down the serene river. That might be one of the explanations for why so many older people have always preferred to build homes close to waterways. The living mentality of those people is always a good lesson for us young generation. The house is built in a rustic, tropical architectural style. Wood and stone, materials that naturally form emotional circuits that connect inside and out, create an intersection between nature and life. That is gently expressed through each streak of sunlight and tree branches swaying with each breath of wind, as well as carrying the aftertaste of the river and the sea. Walls made of massive, rough-hewn stone blocks are paired with strong wooden steps and hand-cut stone flooring. This playing style has had a significant visual impact on the inside of the structure. Using these uncommon materials necessitates considerable work on the part of the designer, builder, and homeowner. To effectively organize the stones, the designer must have control over their size and color. Constructing a heavy stone block and selecting the appropriate edges takes time and effort, not to mention the grinding stone method that has been forgotten for many years. In keeping with the romantic and peaceful style, we, the designers and the homeowner, created a tea-drinking and conversation-friendly veranda adjacent to a koi pond, where dogs enjoy sunbathing every morning. The kitchen with a large window opens to the verdant sky, and the reception space is like under the eaves of a traditional house, opening up to two lush gardens. The terrace and veranda overlook a lovely river, and in the distance is the city undulating peacefully in the early morning mist. Or the bedrooms hidden behind wooden porches, discreetly private through the louver doors. Nestled next to a magnificent river at the foot of the mountain, with rows of wild purple linden trees, everything is just right. It's all here, in every serene breath of poetic spirits.